How to fix a Western Union error code C1974 or C1974. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video today I'll guide you on how you can fix a Western Union error code C1974. Well, to fix this particular error code C1974 on Western Union, you will have to contact Western Union customer service directly, as this error typically indicates an issue with your payment method or account verification, requiring them to review your details and potentially ask for additional information to resolve the problem. Now, what are the possible reasons for error C1974? The first is the incorrect payment details, so you might want to double check your bank information, credit card number or debit card details for any errors. You might also want to check for insufficient funds. Ensure you have enough money in your account to cover the transfer amount and any fees. Also, you want to go through the account verification issues. Western Union might need additional verification to confirm your identity, especially for large transfers. Sometimes a temporary technical issue on Western Union's side can cause this error, so you might want to try again as well. So hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.